Okay, so welcome back, guys. Konnichiwa, and what is good evening in Japanese? Let me see. Oh, it's konbama, whatever it is. So I'm also learning Japanese. Well, my motive is to just watch anime without subtitles. Maybe it do even happen someday. But right now, let's talk about Python. And yeah, if you're saying this, yeah, I'm on DWM again. Well, actually, I love DWM. Maybe I should make another video on DWM and how to configure it. Well, I can also show you my DWM file if you need. Maybe that's not the point of this video, but let's see. I have this success, yeah, my git, and yeah, DWM in here. So holy shit, why is it giving me this like oh man, I think I have just did something there. Nope. I don't want this to be happening right now. Shit. I want to remove this. Okay, now everything is perfect. Okay, so this is my DWM config, and you can see as like my name. And why is this? I will explain you when I will make a DWM video, like why I have this icon here. Actually, let me give you a hint. It's because of like my ethical hacking stuff. So I'll just run my VirtualBox in these tabs. Well, actually this is called tabs, not windows in DWM. And here is the mode key. Okay, let me just show you something. This is a screenshot button, and if I do this like Alt and G and go to my Thunder. Okay, where's the pictures, then SS, and here's this. You see, it's pretty good, right? In good quality. So I just take this screenshot right now. So yeah, that's it. Now let's go back to our home directory and let me talk about some Python stuff. Clean this out. Okay, now maybe you are a good programmer in Python. Maybe, I don't know, but let me give you a lecture about strings in Python. So it's not like, okay, it's actually in there. Now you can use any editor you want and then declare any variables. Like 2 is enough. Like name, I will take a name like Zoro, not lost this time. Well, great thing. And Zoro age, we will give it as age of 19 year old. No, not 19, and like 20 is good. And don't make it in a string, it's gonna be integer. Now okay, we have our variable set, name and age. Now let's try to print it. Let's print name and print age. Simple. And now I'm gonna run it. Python string, and here's the output, Zoro and 20. That's basic, right? It's gonna print Zoro and 20 because we have printed name and age. But what if I want to add this? Print name plus age. Okay, this is giving a huge error to me. But why is this? Because it say like it's not a string. Then we can just make it as string, str for string, and then now it's gonna have, right, Zoro and 20 just mixed up, and that's great. Okay, very well done. But if there's also one way, like if I just go and make this as a string and then print and just remove this str and gonna, so the result is still same, because now this two are string, but we don't need it because we want to make our code complicated in next few lines. So let's comment this all out. Now this is some basic stuff, but I don't want to show you this. Now what I want to show you right here, like if I want to print like this, hello there, and just give me a space, name, you are age, which is string. We have to convert this in string. Just give it some space. Okay, now try run it. Oh, it's giving me a syntax error. Well, actually I get it. What is this now? Okay, hello there Zoro, you are 20-year-old. Maybe I should give it space right here. Hello there Zoro. Okay, yeah, here goes the space. Now this looks nice, right? Okay, let me clean and just run it. Okay, this is nice, perfectly nice. We got a nice result here, but let me change this and let me show you something which I want to show you in this video, which is f string, or maybe you call f function. I don't know, actually not a function though. Okay, so here I do use like f string a lot in my coding, so which is so simple, like you have to just do this. Hello there, now name, with curly brackets. You have to just give in curly brackets because we have already declared our variable. Nice to meet you. You are year old, and this will work fine. See, and I'm gonna run this. Oh, holy shit. Okay, I have to hand this like my string. Okay, hello there Zoro, nice to meet you. You are 20-year-old, and this works fine. And maybe you have seen this in some of the course, like using f string. Sorry, but this feature only came in Python 3. You can only use f string in Python 3, but if you are using traditional Python like Python 2, I think there's not many companies which are using Python 2, but if you are working in a company which is using Python 2, you may be aware of dot format. And I can also show you that, because when I was learning Python, I have gone through Python 2 and Python 3, and there's no too many difference between there. And like the only difference there is, like if I go and print this hello, this is in Python 2, and in Python this is hello with and brackets. And maybe there are more differences, but do I have Python? No, I don't have Python right now. So if I got Python, I will show you this. I can also make a video on video on Python, like a full course of like 2 and 3 hours maximum, go for 5 hours. But right now let me show you, like if you are using Python 2, what you have to do here. So it's been like hello there. Okay, no, hello there. Hello Zoro. You don't have to just do that, you can only just do this hello, and then you are old. Dot format. Man, holy shit. And you have to put this like name and age, and remember you have to close the string in here, and there you go. Hello Zoro, you are 20-year-old. You can do this actually if yeah, you have to just go and do this, but I still think if you are using Python 3, just go for this f string. Oh my god, I can also change this, man. This something bug or what, I don't know, but I got some ideas in my mind right now. Let me show you. Like hello, I can do this like whole silly thing here. Hello you. You are gonna write the same, but this time I'm gonna change this name, age and name, so maybe this works. I don't know, but I'm just trying. Yeah, hello 20, you are 0-year-old. What the heck. So we can also do this. And what happens if I give name in here and write their value here? Wait, is that gonna work? I don't know. Let me try. I'm just trying. If that's gonna work, then let me go. Hello Luffy. I'm just gonna name as Luffy. You are holy shit. Wait a second. Okay, let me give an age in here. I was thinking like to you are gay or something, like I will write that, but nah. Dot format, go for 12, 53. What's gonna happen? Let's see. Oh, holy. Okay, yeah. Got a problem in here. I repeat, got a problem in here. We got in curly brackets. Okay. You are what is this? Luffy and format dot key error. Okay, it's not gonna find them. Okay, well that's cool, no problem. So I'm just making this video. Okay, yeah, hello 12, you are 53. So yeah, this is working and so nicely. So wow, we have discovered something new in this dot format. Well, yeah, that's it for this video, and stop using this and this and this and this, start using f string. So yeah, let me comment this out, this whole Python 2, so you don't have to use them. Let me comment them out. Okay, don't use that, just use this. Hello there Zoro, nice to meet you. You are 20 years old. And in next video we will talk about list, which is my favorite in Python. Python don't have arrays, but Python have list. So bye, take care, and please do subscribe and share this video if you are learning Python.